We're going hard. We're going hard out today. How you going, bro?
They already coming, sir. The service.
Huh?
The service, the other person.
What's that?
They already coming.
Okay.
Going to the port.
Yeah.
They ride the boat.
Yeah.
And bicycle again.
Yeah.
With other person.
Okay. Why not you?
We have to talk about it. Because the other guests, the secretary told me they don't tell the price, okay? Because they have a different price.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Don't talk to them about the price.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay?
No, I
And
wouldn't.
if you wanna add the bullet, you can ask the secretary.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
I think 120 pesos, something like that.
That's not bad.
For each bullet.
Each bullet, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Just ask him later.
Yeah.
I can't go with you because Alex, remember Alex yesterday with my friend?
Yeah.
She's gonna need the assistant for another guest. I need to pick up in the mall.
Okay.
But don't worry. You go together with secretary, our secretary.
Okay. I wanted to go with you. Party life.
Oh yeah, because she needs me to pick up her guest.
Yeah, okay.
Because she's right now assisting another guest.
So who am I going with? Who am I going with then? Yeah, I'm going to go to the shooting range. M16. Oh no, yeah. Have a good day, man. I'll see you later.
Sir, can I get the balancer, please?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, she's a white too.
White too.
Again, next time, sir, sorry, because the schedule is a lot of schedule. Oh, it's okay. Thank you very much, sir.
So I'm covered there and back, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I need this to pay to the...
Yeah, right. Hey guys. Oh,
Sir, take care, sir.
thank you, man.
If
Nice to meet
you
you.
have a problem, just message me.
No, you're alright. I'll be fine. Thank you, man. You have a good day. See you, bro. Cheers, man. See you, man. Have a good day. How you going, man? He looks after you. Looking after me now? Yeah. He was meant to come. Told me he was coming.
Yes, from
Australia. Yeah, yeah. Where are you from, man?
France.
France. Nice.
Ano ba yung lilo? May cook sa kay Ate Livia. May supply.
Yum. Banana. I thought it was chicken. Hey, man. How you going? No, I'm going with these guys. Let's go, let's go. Hey, sir, look fresh. I like your glasses. Let's go. Left-hand drive. Do you have left-hand drive in France? Yes. Yeah, yeah. What do you do for work, man?
I'm like industrial engineer.
Oh, wow. Smart, man.
What about you?
I sell cars, like used cars for a company. Yeah, hustler.
What kind of cars?
I just use cars, so everything. We work for a big dealership that sell like Mitsubishi, Isuzu. Sorry, it's me, man. I'm just trying to. The seatbelt wasn't working. This one doesn't work, so. Thank you, sir. Time to shoot some guns. Let's turn it up. There we go. It's gonna be intense. Oh shit, that's sick. Wow. We're turning it up here. Oof. Hey man, how you going? Nice to meet you. And Brett. Thank you, man. Hello, nice to meet you guys. Here we go. Oof. Shotgun. Yeah, you go. Yeah, I'm doing that right now. Is that guy just going to wait for us? Probably. What's up, man? Thank you. Yep. What's the date today?
13. November 13.
Where do I sign? It says witness. Yep.
You already signed them now?
No, not yet. Yeah, we're not going Povo. We're not doing the little handgun. We're going the M16. I'm going to shoot the shit out of this. Expecting some factory, honestly. But we're in the Philippines, going with the flow. Just some backyard shooting. Same shit I do in Australia.
You make vlog?
What's that?
You make vlog in your...
Yeah, yeah. I'm excited. Yeah.
I follow you later.
Yeah, yeah, please. You should see him. Here we go. So you know what I'm paying for? I paid for the M16, right?
We don't have the M16.
What?
It's only M22 small bullet, then
He sold me M16.
and then the shotgun. The M16 only that picture.
So I got scammed. No.
Wamat M16 sa piyak.
So what am I shooting then?
That's M22. Pistol also M22. Ah, no, 9mm. M22, M22.
Yeah. And how many bullets did I get?
25.
Yeah, that's right. What's he told me like 25 for them.
Shotgun is optional only.
That's pretty cool. That is cool.
It's your first time?
Oh no, I do it in Australia, so
No, it's okay.
yeah, yeah. Him, yes.
You can teach him.
No, it's right. That's your job.
Okay.
It's been a while.
So,
Who's first?
Sorry?
I'll go first then. Yeah. Thank you.
which gun do you want?
The big one.
The big one?
Yeah, yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
That's shotgun.
Wow. Here we go. Turning it up.
Now, after you finish, you want to take picture for
Yes.
Okay. So,
Yeah, hell yeah.
the rules is never point the gun in your
Yeah.
hands, okay?
Yeah.
Do not swing it or
Yeah.
do not point it in any parts of your body.
Yep, yep.
Yes, you can load your bullets. Just like this. Press down.
Yep.
release your
Oh, it's gonna be intense. Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Okay. Always finger out.
Hmm?
Finger out first. Out.
Mm-hmm.
And then load it. Okay, let's load it. Ready?
Here we go, motherfuckers. God damn!
you did not see? Point down. Can point.
You center the red dot. You center the red to your target. Okay? Avoid moving.
Just a little. Okay, go. Tinitingnan niya na yan sa side. Did you not see the side?
Not really. It's alright.
Did you see the red?
No, not anymore.
Take your sunglasses.
Yeah, without the sunglass maybe.
Maybe you need to change the glass. Change your glass. Your glass put there upstairs.
There's nothing there anymore. There was. Now it's gone.
You will check first.
It was there. Now it's gone.
Is there?
Oh yeah, there it is. Yep.
Okay.
Boom.
One more. It's on.
At least you have
That's
one.
nice. Woo! It's really easy, eh? I missed every shot except for one, but the shoot and the hit back is nothing. It's easy. All right, now what's next?
You want to try this?
Yeah, that one.
You can choose which gun you like.
Oh, thank you.
This one is a 9 or 22?
I'm 22. It's small.
Okay.
But it's good.
Busier. Let's see. Yeah. Cool.
It's for hunting. You see the cross? You see the cross? And the
See the
cross.
cross?
You can close your eyes here. Yeah.
Kung kanisa?
I can't see shit, eh?
No?
They're inside.
No? Or which eye you close? side.
Yeah.
My God.
Oh, the other way. Yeah.
You see it now?
Oh wow, yeah.
Yeah. It's clear.
Oh yeah.
Right side you open.
Damn.
Try to like lean forward. You are like this.
Yeah, because I couldn't see shit, bro.
Like this.
Yeah, I can. Oh, here we go.
Yeah. That one. You see it?
Bang! Yeah, that's sick. All right, I'm ready. Let's load them up.
How many?
First.
You'll do it again.
Ten?
Yeah.
No, this one is
Different.
Oh, different.
It's no need to air map is okay
Yeah.
because a little loud.
You can this.
Just only press.
Press down. Yeah.
Here. No. Hold it out. Here. And press.
Is this an automatic one or do you have to pump?
That's the pump
Yeah,
one.
yeah. I see.
Then
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
the pump action makes like you see the security guard.
I'd love to use the shotgun. That's crazy. Definitely 1 kilo there.
Or if you make 5 bullets like on the trigger. But if you stay on
All right, here we go. And it's intense.
try like 2 or
I'll see what
2 or 1.
Is that all good in there? So how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many got left?
10.
10 only.
So you load
Eight.
it too. Load it too.
And that's the last of my go.
And if you want to add, it's okay. If you add.
Let's load them up. Oh shit.
You know how to load it, this one?
Nope.
Release.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Quick release.
You can load here.
Yeah. Oh no, yeah.
Okay. Push. And then.
And then this one.
Oh yeah, out first.
Mm-hmm.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Kaya pakibantay.
Here we go, guys.
lean forward.
Yeah, yep.
Avoid moving, okay?
Yeah.
So hit the target. Right?
Wait. Just wait a minute.
Okay.
Let's fuck them up.
Oh, wait. Wait.
Hit that
Yeah, I saw that.
down.
Up. Wait. There.
This gun's easier.
Yeah. Okay. Release mag. This one. Press this one. This one. Yeah. Press. Okay.
Ooh,
And then this one. Okay.
so cool.
You cannot see because we have.
Yeah, the hard, that was hard, that one. That was easier. So, is that it? Is that 25? Damn. Was that really? Fuck.
For this small bullet is 100.
Yeah, okay.
This is 120.
Well, this one.
120 peso.
Like this one.
This one is if you make 5 rounds, I will give you 250 each. But if you like 2 or 3, just it's very loud.
Yeah, I bet. Fire in the hole. Doing 3 rounds of the shotgun.
One pump, one shot.
Keep it. Pump it.
Let's turn it up. Oh shit. Fuck. God damn. Too good, bro. Alright, let's turn it up. Good job, man. I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm so ready. Thank you so much.
So, how many bullets?
I've got 3, yeah. We did 5 all up. Let's go, let's go.
Sir, you point here, and then hop here.
Yeah.
This,
Yeah.
you see this, and then hop. You can hit it. Not like this, like this, like this.
Do you use the middle finger or the pointing finger?
Just rest easy. Just relax. Okay?
Then-
Relax.
Yeah.
Just relax your body, okay? Stand still and then relax.
There we go. We got 3 bullets. Intense.
Okay.
Alright.
Out. Finger out.
Yeah.
Okay. Out first. Then you point. Okay.
Let's fuck them up.
Like
Oh
you see.
shit.